Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People lost.
Welcome guys to another reaction video. Cream Boss in the building. Today we react to Azealia Banks 1991. You see me, I saw the song name. The song, I'm gonna check out when the song come out. The song come out 2012, bro. 2012, whatever. So this is literally a whole song. You see me, but probably it must be good. Cause it have about 40 million views, so it must be good. You see me, somebody request it, so I'm gonna do it right now. You see me. They don't do it, go again, but big up the subscriber, then big up to all of the returning subscribers. Big up Tony, you see me? Big up, at them say at Jamaica, big up on the damn self, you see me? And big up to all of the new subscribers, you see me? Thanks for checking out my video and thanks for subscribing it, and thanks for like my video and everything, you see me? Really appreciate it, you see me? So, me I blab too much, or me I talk too much, so let's jump straight into the video right now, you see me? Now, oh, I'm some long legs.
Cool French dude named Antoine. Wanna taste the pastry, chocolate croissant. Sit swore with your bitch, cafe yo late. Voulez-vous, nigga, man, Francois. Who are you, nigga? Ha ha ha. Miss one, Miss Young, Miss Cute. Young Nubi, Young Coochie tight. Young Juicy, Young Uzi Mike. Right a tat, 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 knick, knack, kitty, pet, pet, pet. Silly cat, you don't have that scratch. How you do that, do that, do that, that. 199.
Hey, them old school rapping, them here old school rapping, you see me? From back in the days. 2012 rapping different from now. Now them have to be a mumble rap garbage, you see me? But them rapping here. You see me? Nice talking, girl.
Oh, nah, ma, your time is done. Prima donna, my mind like a virgin. Private jets, my flights don't fly virgin. I sell you by, that's my version. Mommy tie these rhymes, it's my verses. Oh, me, yo, my Illuminati princess. Pyramid, one eye on my assets. Here it is, no tie, peep my progress. Peep my progress. Here it is, no tie, peep my progress. Peep my progress.
I wonder if she's still a thing up to this day. Honest to God, I hear her name before, but never listened to her music name before, you see me? So, I wonder if she still a sing up to this day. You see me? I'm not going to check it out, I want to tell me. I'm not going to check it. I want to tell me.
He took her to the Louvre Paris. You want a chance with a younger, wanna rule with a wave. You wanna juniper please. To get the grands and the hundreds and the shooter bleed. To fit the grands and the hundreds and the loot of the beat. High class, no school, the tuition is free. Little bam, no fool, intuition is cheap. Give me the gym or the juice, I permission to feed. I make hits, motherfucker, never do it for free, huh? From the NYC, no contender, none in my league. Young killer in the denims, young venom on the MIC. Young venom is developing the heat that stick. Elite rap bitch, I gotta send the beat back quick. Tipping on these niggas, suck if he got shit. Cause you gon' be a bitch, nigga, I'ma be that bitch. Why? Just believe that shit. You gon' be a bitch, nigga, I'ma be that bitch. Why? And believe that shit, nigga, I'ma be that bitch. Why?
Come on, she just rap and talk her mind, you see me? Come on, one of them women, they just talk her mind and rap what she want. She not business. Straightforward woman this.
Come around, let the little baby run it down. Whip sipping belly, sipping champagne on the owls. 19 up a naughty, baby, press it on your dial. Sex, kitten, honeys, no cougars in the house. I'ma hush the rumors in the doubt.
Listen, cougars. What she say? No cougars in the house? Listen, nothing wrong with cougars, bro. Nothing wrong with that older woman. You see me? As I say, me actually love like old like. Listen, me no discriminate against older woman or what they middle age or whatever. You see me? You're beautiful. And if you're old, you're still beautiful. You see me? In my eyes, you're still beautiful. You see me?
Came in the game with
that was lame, bro.
Never for the fame, my feet on the ground. Cloud number 9, headed to the stars. Maybe I ride with my mic and my bra. Maybe I recite in the raw. The appetite for life and the hunger for the more. The island of Manhattan, I was born in New York. City never slumbers. I would always dream but never sleep to the hundreds.
Oh, she a New York girl.
$1 million baby, you could get it if you want it. Whoa. And why rose me, most high chose me. Then they know what I can't do for you. If you don't speak, boy, I know you won't see now. Then they know what a man. And why rose me, most high chose me. Then they know what I can't do for you. If you don't speak, boy, I know you won't see now. Then they know what a man.
Oh, them, them look like them ready, you see me? To kiss a baby. I like the black lipstick. I like the black lipstick is look kind of neat, you see me? With the purple inside. That one there, that color, the black color. Oh, purple. Alright guys. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. To Azealia Banks. I don't know how to pronounce her name right. Azealia Banks. It's interesting to see the back in days rap. You see me, a long time I listen to back in the days rap. You see me, them time was more smooth flows, rhyming and all them shit. You see me, and I like know where them that thing about we fuck you see me, being mumbling and balling bullshit. You see me, so back then the rap was the real shit. I have some people nowadays still do the original rap like J. Cole and all them on there, where I do rapping same, real rapping, traditional rapping. You see me, so respect to them on there. Respect to Azealia Banks. She give me like a Miss Elliott, Little Kim type of flow. You see me? She just raw and she just talk with she talking and thing, you see me? So big up to yourself, Azealia Banks. So peace out. Yeah.